Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about one of the most trending earning app in 2026, so stay tuned, watch this video until the end. So what is ATOS Global App, how it works, and how you can join? Watch this video to understand everything about ATOS Global App. So if you're watching me for the first time or coming across my channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing, like this video, and also turn the notification bell on so that anytime I'll upload any new video, you'll be notified and you'll watch the video as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go guys. What is ATOS Global App? ATOS Global App is an online earning platform that allows users to make money by doing different tasks online on a daily basis. Okay, and this very app, it has its own token known as ATOS coin, okay, or ATOS token. And this coin available, you can sell it and you can also buy it. So for the first time, when you register on this app using the link that I'm going to provide on the description of the video, and description of the video, and also on the comment section, they're gonna give you 23,000 ATOS coin, that is 23 USDT. Okay, and you will earn it and you can withdraw it anytime as long as it is listed. Okay, so at the moment the coin has not been listed in various crypto exchange wallets, but you can check which place or where to sell it on market cap. I've done several videos showing you guys how you can buy or sell ATOS coin in this same channel, so you can go ahead and watch those videos. On also I can tag them in this very video so that you'll get it easy to watch the video that explains everything. Okay, so and again, what you have to know, the app is built to help people make income directly from their smartphone. So you just need internet and your phone. That is enough. You don't need a laptop, you don't need skills or other things. Okay, it's so simple. What you need to do is perform daily tasks. You can also share your link with your friends, family, and anytime they join you, you'll be rewarded for that. Okay, so this app is available globally. That is why it is called ATOS Global App. It is available in all parts of the world. And guys, I'm saying this because I've been there for almost 1.5 years now. I know it works well, and soon it's gonna be better, because in this year they're gonna list this coin in various exchange wallets, whereby such as Binance, whereby you'll be able to sell it or buy it, or even exchange it with your friend or another user. Okay, so make sure you grab this opportunity as soon as you watch this video. I know some of you've heard of it, some of you have registered. Keep on mining, keep on doing a daily task in order to earn more ATOS coin, so that by the time they list it, then you'll be able to withdraw your ATOS coin, and you'll be able to exchange them into cash or USDT or any other coin you'd wish to exchange them into. Okay, and something that I can promise you guys, if you watch my videos or you've been on my channel, I know it's worth it. So subscribe, keep on checking on videos that I upload, and again, you can join our WhatsApp group, okay, for more updates, because sometimes I give updates there and I don't do videos here. So if you join our channel, it will be so easy for you to catch up with the new updates. Okay, so something that I want you guys to know is that if you join this ATOS Global App right now, you will need me to finish your KYC, that is to get verified fully. Okay, so we have verification 1, we have verification 2, in order to be a legit or a valid member. Okay, so you will need to do security circle verification. Okay, and that way you need 5 active users. And how will you get these 5 active users if this is the first time you're joining ATOS Global App? It's somehow hard. So that is where I come in, because if you join under that link I'm talking about, it will be so easier for you, because I will help you through. I will give you the 5 active users, of which it will be so easier for you to finish your verification. Then I will tell you how you are going to upload your document for quick verification, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so the good thing about it is that even if you're not fully verified, you will still do the daily tasks and earn more ATOS coin. And you can see the price of the number of ATOS coin you have on your app even before you are verified, but you will not be able to withdraw them until you are fully verified. That is when you are a valid member. Okay, so guys, make sure you grab this opportunity, use it well, make something out of it. I've been making noise here, making videos talking about these mining apps, like you earn for free, you mine for free, then later when they list the coin, you sell them without any struggle. You make your money, and that is it. Guys, many of them, I've done many of them, and I've earned from many of them. So if you want something that can make you money without spending any money online, always join these apps that I talk about. Join this ATOS Global App and thank me later. Okay, that is what I was telling people about Pi, and the same time this I've been telling people about IFSEN and others. So make sure you grab any opportunity that I share with you on this channel, take them serious and do what they want and earn your free coins. Wait for them to list it or launch it, then sell it, enjoy your money, and that is it. Okay, so guys, what else do you want to know about ATOS? So ATOS Global is giving people the opportunity to turn their free time into money. It's a great option for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone who wants to make money online. So begin your journey today and you will be happy about it. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also turn your notification bell on so that you will be able to get my future videos. Guys, I think that is all I wanted to share about ATOS Global. And remember, I've said if you join through this link, make sure you join our WhatsApp group. I'm gonna put the link of the WhatsApp group there so that after joining and registering and again downloading the app, you'll be able to reach me so that I can help you through. Just DM any admin in that group, DM any admin in the group, and you'll be able to get help. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.